Are you ready?
Hey, it's Cornfu. Welcome to my cold, junky garage. This week I have an apology. Mom, I'm so sorry. I really let you down. But today, I'm going to try to make up for it. What did I do that was so egregious towards my mother? Many years ago, my mom had asked me to do a painting for her. And I did. This dreadful thing. Now, those of you that are kind will be, oh, it's not that bad. No, it's that bad. And, I did it. I got it out of the way. 1990s airbrush. So I thought no more of it. Well, she has it hanging up at her house now. But I'm going to stop that. That thing has to come down. She had made a comment maybe a year ago, 2 years ago, about this painting. And I'm paraphrasing. No offense, Mom. You spoke truth. But it was something like, yeah, James did this for me, but I could tell he really wasn't into it. Or something like that. I was like, ouch. But Mom, you were right. I really did a bad job. So I'm going to try to do something a little different. Well, actually a lot different than that thing. But it's going to be a painting that's has a little bit more meaning to it. And I hope you like it. Let's go start doing this thing and see if I can't get back in my mom's good graces. That was a trip. Mom, know this. I hope you like the painting. It has meaning. I scoured the interwebs for pictures of Jeffrey, West Virginia. That's where my mom grew up. And sentimental, me and my brothers and family, we would go there every summer. It was a lot of fun. I think we went there a couple Christmas times as well. But I wanted to do something kind of based on her hometown. Jeffrey's not a town. It's a zone. But anyway, I wanted to do something that was sentimental. West Virginia is super awesome. But it's really hard to paint dramatic mountains. It's kind of like that where you take a photo of the Grand Canyon, and then you look at the photo and you're like, it's not the same. Well, I didn't want to do the same thing with mountains. So I just kind of painted this little shack kind of thing on the side of the road. Jeffrey, West Virginia, from what I remember, little winding roads through mountains and little kind of quaint homes or shacks on the side of the road. Cool area. So anyway, Mom, I hope you enjoy it. Again, I'm not a landscape painter, so this was a lot of effort on my part. I'm not trying to get brownie points here, just letting you know that I really did give it some effort this time. And by the airing of this, I think you should have this painting. So if you enjoy it, cool. If you don't, pretend like you do. Thanks. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a like. Give me a comment. Give me some advice on painting landscapes. And convince my wife that I need James Lewis brushes. I just saw those the other day and they look awesome, but I'm really cheap. So I don't know. I might pick up a set though. We'll see. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Oh, next week I'm doing something really cool. I'm going to paint on a product of one of my friends. I'm not going to reveal too much here, but I'm pretty stoked about it. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you next week.